Hi there, it's Mariana again. I just want to do a short video explaining exactly what Shema means. So, as we're starting this new movement called Shamapreneur, it's important to actually look at the meaning of the word. It is a Hebrew word and it means, I'm going to read here, just hang on a second. It means obedience in Hebrew is Shema, and it means to hear, to listen, to give attention, to understand, to submit to, and to obey. There's only one word in Hebrew for obedience, and it is the word Shema. And it can also be translated to to the word hear. So the the place where the Lord is calling on Israel to do that is in Deuteronomy 6, verse 4 to 9, where it says, Hear, O Israel. And that here is Shema. The Lord your God, the Lord is one. You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your might. And these words that I command you today shall be on your heart. You shall teach them diligently to your children, and shall talk of them when you sit in your house, and when you walk by the way, and when you lie down, and when you rise. You shall bind them as a sign on your hand, and they shall be as frontlets between your eyes. You shall write them on the doorposts of your house and on your gates. So there is a lot that the Lord has for us to hear, to listen to. And if we are in business but we are following Yeshua, it's important that we get to a place where we hear from him first before we actually start doing our day, before we start making plans or making decisions for our businesses. Because it's from that place of following him that we are able to actually do everything in his will. And when Jesus was on earth, he said that he does nothing that he doesn't see the Father doing. So he spent hours and hours in prayer on the mountain, always trying to get away to spend time with God, with his Father, so that God could show him what he is supposed to do. And if Jesus needed that, so much the more we do. So this is what Shema means, and I'm going to explore in this series, the podcast series called Shema in the Morning. We're going to explore this by listening to what the Lord wants us to do, creating a space for us to do that, because that, I believe, is one of the main keys in actually walking in obedience through our lives, in our families, our businesses, is when we actually make time to listen and hear from God first before we just start rushing and doing the things. So if you haven't joined our movement on all the channels and groups, please see below, forward the video to somebody that needs to hear it, and join us at the Shemapreneur movement, where we as small business owners start to seek the Lord and his ways in our businesses. So I bless you with that and hope to see you in the comments.